my channel. Today we are going to the Denver's unique mall, the 16th Street Mall. So watch the video till the end and enjoy it. Located in the heart of downtown Denver, the 16th Street Mall is a mile-long pedestrian promenade. Driving through downtown Denver offers a mix of modern skyscrapers, historic architecture, and vibrant urban districts. We decided to have lunch before going to the mall. So we went to Alloy Modern Thai, which is a highly rated woman-owned contemporary Thai restaurant located in Denver's Ballpark district.
Take a street mall, then in 150 feet, arrive at your destination.
Country roads, she likes loud. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia. Don't you avoid the consciousness. Don't you all you need is your heart. Just brings it through. Attitude, baby, talk.
The mall is renovated and reopened on October 2025. The renovation replaced aging infrastructure and transformed the corridor into a more modern pedestrian-friendly space. The walk in the 16th Street Mall was amazing. The energy there was unmatched, and there are now over 20 outdoor patios specifically designed for 16th Street businesses, creating a lively street cafe vibe. The 16th Street Mall in Denver is considered both an iconic Denver landmark and a unique urban design. Wrapping up an amazing Denver day in the heart of downtown. Hope you all have enjoyed watching the video. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.